Hey y'all, hey boo, hey, congratulations on waking up this morning, you guys. Today is officially your girl is back on the press-on nails game for a little bit, and I wanted to show you guys these really inexpensive press-on nails. I got them for like $3 or $4 at my local grocery store, and they're so fire, and I can't wait to share them with you. But before we get into this video, don't forget to go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe down below. I would highly appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into this video. So this pack comes with glue, a nail filer, and the set of nails, as well as a cleaning pad. So this is what it looks like in the pack. So you want to start off first, like opening the pack and just figuring out, okay, which nail fits on which of your actual fingernails, and just going through that process of figuring out. They have numbers on them, so you can just connect the numbers with each nail, and you just do that, and baby, you're on your way. You're on your way, girl. We're almost there. Now that I have my nails picked out, you guys can see them over there. They're all lined up from the pinky all the way up to the thumb, and they all match each other. I'm going to go ahead and file my nail using the nail filer that they gave. This nail filer was really weak, so I had to go off camera and like find my actual nail filer, which is like a lot stronger, and file my nails down. I also used scissors. It was a lot. There was a lot happening, okay? But you do want to get your nails filed down, your natural nail file down all the way well enough for you to be able to, you know, not have your natural nail extending outside of the press-ons. So once you get to that, you want to also file the top of your nails, like to make sure all the oil, excess oil, all of that is cleared off, so that there's nothing that will make the nail glue or the actual press-ons like want to slide off and come off easily, because you want these to last a little while. After I get done doing that, I use the little alcohol pads or wipes or whatever. They're disinfectant things that you use to like just clean your nails off, make sure that everything's going to be sanitary, because you do not want underneath your nails to like get an infection or anything of that nature, because trust me, baby, it is not it. I mean, that's never happened to me, but I've seen it happen to other people with press-ons, and you don't want that. But I have had it happen at nail salons where I've gone to. This is what made me get a nail tech, actually, because nail salons will have your nails all kinds of messed up. But that's another story for another day. You feel me? But this is what it looks like after I get done sanitizing, disinfecting it. I know my hands are looking uber dry right now, and I'm so sorry for that, but like, the show must go on, okay? Okay? Do you want press-on nails or do you want moisturization? You have to pick one. You can't have both, okay? Thank you. Y'all, when I tell y'all opening this nail glue was a battle, I felt like I went to war. Nothing worked to open this. If LA Colors see this, y'all, please, I understand you're trying to secure the nail glue, but like at least make it able to be like open, because I use scissors, as you guys are seeing right now. I'm using scissors to cut it off. I use earrings, because you know the old school ghetto way of opening nails glues is like using the back of an earring, the little needle part, and poking it through. I use scissors again. It took so much to get this nail glue to open. I was just like, what are they, like, why? I was so flabbergasted. So when I finally got it open, I was elated. Like, you guys are going to see me right now using the back of a nail, the back of an earring, to try to poke a hole through it, because nothing was working. It eventually worked, but it took like 3 earrings and cutting the tip of the nail glue like basically to non-existence for it to all come out finally. So I'm just gonna warn you guys, opening this nail glue, you're gonna sweat. It's gonna be problematic, but it's fine. The outcome, just remember, you may be going through it in that moment, but the outcome results, that's what matters. That's what matters. Now that this nail glue decided is done stressing out my life, I can go ahead and use it. So you want to take one drop and put it in the middle of your fingernail bed, and then you add on the press-on that you have set aside. So I like to go from pinky all the way up to the thumb. It just makes it easier to do and like more cohesive. And I don't know, it's just a strategy that works. So I like to do that. So you want to press and hold on. I personally like to hold down my press-ons for like 55 seconds to like a whole 60 seconds, just to secure it, because you know you gotta secure the press-on. You don't want to be that girl that's at an event and they're like, is that your nail on the floor? Like, okay, just ignore that. Like, why are you asking me that? That's so rude. Like, I knew it came off. You didn't have to announce it. Why did you announce that? Like, some people really be enemies of progress. So don't give your enemies of progress ammunition to make sure you don't progress. Okay? Thank you. So, yeah. Just make sure that you just hold it down. You keep it down. This is also how I get my press-ons to last like a week, sometimes 2 weeks. I have a nail appointment on the 21st or something like that with my nail tech. So these nails got to last for a minute. And if they don't, Jesus take the wheel, because it is what it is. But yeah, typically doing this method does help your nails to last at least a week. And voila, just like magic, we are done. This is one hand. I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's completely finished. But look how cute. She's cute. She's back and she's better than ever. And this is the final results. I know my lights were super bright, so you couldn't see the marble printing as well when they were on my hand. But trust me, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I promise it's cute. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and get these little $3, $4 nails, girl. It's summertime. You gotta look good. Bougie on a budget always, okay? So pop, block, and drop down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.